SurveyMonkey is the world's leading provider of survey software. We serve people from individuals all the way up to the Fortune 500, supplying their needs for survey software, whether that's to collect customer data, employee data, market research. We do it all, and we do it for our customers large and small. When we started using Gong, it was really just to understand what was going on in phone calls. Really, we didn't know what was happening in those interactions. We didn't know what topics were being discussed. We didn't know whether our CSOs were having good calls or frankly, not good calls. So the Gong was an opportunity for us to start to listen in and learn about really what those interactions were about. When we rolled out the coaching, we deployed Scorecards just as a way to track what was going on. And it really is a nice way for us to get visibility into how much coaching is going on, what topics are being discussed. We've had customers come back and not want to renew. It happens. One of the pieces that Gong has helped is we can actually go back in time and kind of look back and say, well, what did we know then? With the benefit, frankly, of looking back and knowing kind of where we're going to end up, finding those indicators and then being able to start to coach again on what you would do if you heard those again. Gong has allowed us to bring everything together into a very easy to find timeline. So now you can kind of look through, you can see all the interactions, not just even with our team, but also the AEs and other people who are engaging that account. It's one of our go-to places. If you want to know what's going on with an account, you can kind of scan through the Gong timeline and pretty quickly understand when was the last time we spoke to somebody. The ability to go from my opinion to really what the customer is saying is really powerful. And that really changes our collective perspective then around what's going on in that situation. We love being able to send clips to the product team, to an executive. So being able to really bring other people into those conversations and let them experience it, it really does make the customer voice come alive in a way that just isn't there otherwise. At SurveyMonkey, we have a culture of curiosity, and one of our taglines is, it's where the curious come to grow. And so we're always trying to figure out what is it we can learn from a situation, how do we take what we're learning and then adapt that and really put that into our growth mindset to understand what's next and how we're going to take our skills and make them better. When we started out using Gong, it was about understanding what was going on and putting some metrics around it. What we ended up with was realizing that we had the opportunity to really change the way that we coached, to change the way that we gave our managers and our CSMs and everyone involved in customer success a clear benchmark on what we were going after and how we could get better. And I think it's really changed the way that we deploy training. It's changed the way that we go and engage with customers. Working with Gong has made us better managers and better CSMs.